Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of CAD JPY. If you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other pairs like Euro USD, GBP USD, Gold USD, GBP JPY and many more. So let's get started. So this is the 4-hour chart of CAD JPY in front of us right now, and if you are a subscriber to my channel, then you know it very well that I do not do much videos on CAD JPY because I usually bring videos on Euro USD, GBP USD, Gold USD, Euro JPY. Around my videos are centered around 8 to 10 pairs, and CAD JPY I do very rarely. But CAD JPY is the new buzz in the town, new talk of the town because of this huge uptrend. So that's why I'm making this video on request. And most importantly, there are certain things in the market that you must understand as well. So let's get started. So first of all, if we look at the trend of the market here, then there should not be any doubt that CAD JPY is in very strong uptrend, extremely strong uptrend. Market is extremely bullish, and as we all know, the thumb rule of the market, the basic rule of the market is follow the trend. If a market is in uptrend, we should mainly look for buying opportunities, and if a market is in downtrend, we should mainly look for selling opportunities, isn't it? Yes. And following the thumb rule of the market, we should mainly look for buying opportunities. And then comes the second important point in the market that I always talk in my videos is the area of value. Area of value is the best price in the market, or the price level where or the best price level or the best trading opportunity in the market. Okay, in an uptrend market, the best trading opportunity, the best buying opportunity, or the best price is always available near the support. But right now, if you look at the chart of CAD JPY, you can see that there is no proper support here on the market right now. It has broke all the support, still going up. Therefore, we do not have any support, so it becomes very critical for us to find out the area of value, to find out the best buying position. And in this kind of market, the only way to enter, yes, listen to me carefully, in this kind of market where there is no support, the only way to enter is to buy at retracement. That is the only opportunity for us. So we have taken help of the Fibonacci retracement level here, and you can see that the first Fibonacci level is 23.6% is at around 89.25 level. Yes, we have a Fibonacci level at 89.25 level. Then we have got Fibonacci 38.2% retracement level at 88.50 level. Yes, right now considering these uptrend in the market, these two levels are important. So listen to me carefully. So buy if market retraces, comes down, then only go for buy at the first Fibonacci retracement level of 89.25 level. If market comes down, if you find market taking support at 89.25 level, if you find market taking support at 89.25 level and bouncing, you can go for buy. That is your first trading opportunity. And on the other hand, if market, listen to me carefully, if market breaks the level of 89.25 level, then just observe the market at 88.50 level. If there is a good possibility of market bouncing from 88.50 level, and if market bounces from 88.50 level, that is your second buying opportunity. Considering the bullishness in the market, you should only go for buying opportunities. But yes, there is a but here, and the but is that you can see that apart from these lines, I have also got a red line at the top, which is the resistance from the weekly chart. But again, I'm saying the but here. Okay, the problem is that though we have a resistance here, but the market is too strong, and as we all know, support and resistance level are not permanent in the market. So if the buying pressure is too high, there is a good possibility of market breaking the level. And most importantly, it also has a relation with the US oil here, because Canadian dollar has a relation with crude oil. When the price of crude oil goes up, we see Canadian dollar going up. When price of crude oil goes down, we see Canadian dollar also going down, because crude oil is a big part of Canadian economy, and Canada mainly exports crude oil. So if the price of crude oil goes up in the international market, then Canada earns more. As a result, the Canadian dollar also gets stronger, and this is the main reason why you see all the Canadian pairs are very much bullish right now. Whether it is CAD JPY, CAD CHF, okay, you will see all the currency pairs in a flying mode, because this is the chart of US dollar here, and you can see that US dollar is extremely sorry, not US dollar. This is a chart of US oil, crude oil, and you can see that crude oil is extremely bullish, and crude oil is bullish means Canadian dollar is also getting stronger. Canada is also making more money. They are also earning more money, and as a result, CAD JPY is also going up. So, and if we look at the international scenario right now, then we can see that there is a power shortage going on all over the world. There is a coal crisis, yes, crisis of coal going on all over the world. And in this scenario, there is a huge demand for crude oil. Yes, there is a huge demand for crude oil right now, and there is a good possibility of crude oil going up. And I think that considering the present international scenario, crude oil will be going up. Crude oil will remain bullish for the next couple of days, I think so. And if crude oil remains bullish for the next couple of days, then obviously CAD JPY will also be in uptrend. Okay, and therefore, if market retraces, okay, listen to me again, if market retraces, then buy at this retracement levels. And on the other hand, if you find that market is still flying, going high, then no need to wait for the retracement. Just wait for the market to cross 90.75 level. Once CAD JPY crosses 90.75 level, wait for a couple of hours, wait for 4 to 6 hours. If you see that it is still trading comfortably above the 90.75 level, then you will get the confirmation that the weekly support, yes, the weekly resistance has become the new support for the market. Because once this resistance becomes the new support for the market, then you can go for buy. Probably you have noticed right now that I'm only giving you buy option because this is an uptrend market. You never want to mess with the trend of the market. Be with the trend of the market and only try to buy at support. And if market goes up from here, crosses the resistance, then only go for buy, because this resistance will be the new support for the market. So first trading opportunity is at the retracement levels, and the second trading opportunity is buying at the weekly resistance. If market breaks it, then it will be the new support. Okay, and crude oil is extremely bullish right now, and considering the overall international scenario, crude oil may remain bullish for the next couple of days. So Canadian dollar is will also remain bullish for the next couple of days, I think so. Let's see. So this is the analysis of CAD JPY. Hopefully you've understood. Bye bye, take care, see you tomorrow.